Hey Scribblers crew, we're here in Geneva for a very cool thing that's happening. As part of America 250, of course you know about the big boy. He's going to come through here. The track's right in front of Scribblers in about 20 minutes. We'll head over there in just a minute and we'll see all the people. There's people lined up down the tracks. This is going to be awesome. A symbol of Americans' power and engineering marvel from the 1940s. So this thing's pretty cool. You got to check it out. There. Wow. I didn't know what to expect exactly, but that was more than I was expecting. It just gives me a sense of American pride and the stick-to-itiveness, and that we can just build something like that back in the 1940s. How cool. So on that same line of American patriotism, we're going to be launching a line of America 250 coffees very shortly. So keep an eye out for it. You'll want to check them out. Melanie worked really hard on the labels and just the blends we have in them. Very good. You're going to want to try them. All right. Have a great day, everyone.